All right, the Taurus G3C TORO. This is the optic ready version of the G3C for those of you that want to get into the optic game on a budget to see if you're going to like it. Welcome back everybody, and thank you if you are joining us here for the first time. So we're going to talk about the Toro series, the G3C specifically today, which is this guy right here equipped with that Swamp Fox optic. And then of course, if you're somebody who bought the G3C or the standard G3 and you're looking at getting into the red dot game or just want to try it out, we've got an option for you as well that's going to cost you a lot less than buying a whole new pistol. We're gonna go ahead and take a good up close look at this thing, talk about the specs on this, show you guys what you get in the package with this. But before that, a quick word from today's sponsor, Hidden Hybrid Holsters. Today's video is brought to you by Hidden Hybrid Holsters, bringing you that sweet handmade Amish leather to fulfill your needs from belts to holsters. Whether it's treating that 1911 right, tucking that new Army hand cannon into your pants, or just a little bit of leather to go with that sweet 80s mustache. Check out hiddenhybridholsters.com or at the link in the description. All right, the Taurus G3C in the Toro. We're gonna go ahead, get in the box here, show you guys what you get with this, but hey, make sure you guys get subbed up, get belled up, turn those notifications to all on. If you like what's going on here, give the video a like, and of course, leave me a comment on if you like or don't like what Taurus is doing here. So in the box, we're gonna get our pistol, obviously, get 2 spare mags for a total of magic number 3, which is what all manufacturers should be sending out with pistols, in my opinion. You're gonna get a little coupon, your manual, of course, all of your optics plates and different screw sets right there, your lock, a little chamber flag, and that is it. Now, I quite honestly prefer getting the cardboard boxes here over the injected polymer cases like most stuff comes in, because if this wasn't a loaner, I would throw the box in the trash, and it's a little bit more eco-friendly. Plus, I just don't want more boxes laying around my house at this point. So let's talk about the main specs on the G3C right here. So this is a polymer striker-fired pistol with restrike in 9mm. This is the compact version right here. So you're going to have a 3.3-inch barrel, I think it is. Let me double check real quick. Actually, it's a 3.2-inch barrel, so it's a little bit off on that. You're gonna have a 6.3-inch overall length, a 5.1-inch total height, so that's gonna be all the way from the bottom all the way to the top of the slide, not including the optic. Overall width of 1.2 inches, which is right on par with, say, Glock, and then a weight of 22 ounces. Now, it's a steel alloy slide. It doesn't say what steel alloy that I could find. Stainless steel barrel, and of course, polymer on the lower. It is a Tenifer matte black finish. So let's get out of the way what the restrike is. So restrike on the Taurus, basically, say you're in your first round out there on the range, doesn't go bang. Instead of having to re-rack the slide, what you can do is just pull the trigger. So that's an option that some people like to use. For me, if I don't get a bang the first time, I do a tap rack, that immediate action drill, and I get back to work out there. So talking about the other stuff when it comes to the G3 series, the grip texture on these is great. It's like that sandpaper texture. I wish they put more of it around there. Little Taurus logo in there. You've got some depression right here, which kind of helps keep your palm in that area right there. Got that manual safety, single-sided slide release right there. The mag release is very usable, but it's a little bit small. You've got some serrations in there. Decent trigger guard, not the best, you know, undercut or anything. Little bit of a line left from kind of the molding process right there, but not terrible. Going forward, get your takedown lever. Nice little depression right there, so you can go ahead and get in that area and index when you're out there on the range. Single slot pick rail, which is definitely solid. Then you'll see some nice work on the nose right there. Very nicely chamfered and kind of rounded off. That's great for holstering and unholstering. Checking out the opposite side, going up onto that slide, we're gonna have our optics plates, and you will get the RMR, the Vortex, the loophole delta points. You're gonna get your major branded optics on there, which is awesome. External extractor, the best part about these is you get to use Glock sights front and rear because there's so many Glock sight options out there. Really a great setup as far as those sights go. I've got that Swamp Fox Justice on here. It's a good budget optic. I've got a video on it, I'll leave it down below. But if you're getting into this budget optic ready pistol, you know, it's a solid choice. So breakdown on this, gonna be the same as most things. Clear it out, pull the trigger, and then takedown button comes down. You're gonna have your standard looking striker block safety right there. Striker lug back in the rear here, and you can see your yellow sleeve for the striker. Standard guide rod and barrel. In here, this is gonna be striker fired stuff in general. If you wanna see how this trigger works and all the internals, that's in my original G3C video and the update. So you can check that out if you want, if you're into learning about how the trigger in these things actually functions. So now that you've got the basic specs on there, you know what this comes with. Let's talk about the cost of this thing, how it performed out there, the reliability of the Taurus. And of course, if you already have, say, a G3C like this, or even a G3, is there an option to go optic ready with the one you currently have on the cheap? All right, now that you've had a good chance to see that thing up close and see what it comes with, let's talk about the quality and the reliability, because Taurus is a brand that's had some issues in the past. So a while back, if you haven't followed my channel, and I'll have these videos linked down below, I went ahead and picked up a G3 and the standard G3C, both at the same time. And I wanna say I got them for like $275 and like $257 for one or the other, I can't remember. But they were sub $300 guns. Now I've since done follow-up videos on the G3, and I've had in over 1,000 rounds, one failure to feed. I'll leave that video down below, you can check it out, but I think it was probably me doing a magazine exchange, messing that up that caused the malfunction. But other than that, I've had a good experience with the Taurus brand overall. Now I know other people have had some issues and some struggles with it, and anytime you get a more budget brand, you're generally gonna have something in the way of that's gonna make it through that quality control. So the cheaper the price, that's just something you gotta remember. You've gotta test these things out. Now let's go ahead and talk about the Toro series specifically. As far as the G3C Toro, because I don't have the full size in the Toro, but like I said, we're gonna talk about an option for all of you if you have a G3C or a G3 already. Now the overall feel of this thing is pretty good. They've got good grip texture here, good angles here, and you get all of the different plates like we showed up close to mount the optic. And overall, it has performed very well. You get yourself a budget optic like this Swamp Fox Liberty here, or this is the Justice actually, little protective shroud, and you're gonna be in business for still a pretty cost-effective price. So overall, the feel and the function is good. So let's talk about the price of the G3C in the Toro, obviously without the optic. I found it right around that $349 mark. Now for an optic ready pistol that comes with the plates, that is a pretty solid deal. And like I said, I've had a good experience with the Taurus brand as far as the G3C, G3, and the GX4 that I've also got a video out on, which is linked down below. Now for those of you that either have a G3 already or a G3C, I do have an option for you on those as well. Because Taurus will sell just the slide for these things in the Toro with everything already installed, and all you need to do is swap your barrel and your recoil spring in there. That's pretty solid. I wanna say as the time of filming this video, both of those slides are like $125, but I think that's a short-term sale. I wanna say they are generally in that $150 range. That's not bad, because if you already have one, you can buy the slide and a pretty budget optic, and kind of get the 2-for-1 deal. Say you want to run an Optic one day and not the next, you'll have the slide and the ability to do that. And you're not breaking the bank or having to sell something to get something new. It's just an easier way and a little bit more budget-friendly way, should you already have a G3 series, to get into the red dot game and see if it's going to work out for you. As far as the cost and the value goes, it's a very cost-effective way to get into that dot game. And I've had a pretty good experience with the G3 series, the two that I purchased, and then obviously the G3C. This was sent in by Taurus because I asked for it. And then the GX4 has turned out to be pretty solid as well. The one thing I will say about the G3 series is going to be that trigger on there. So if you look at that, there's just a lot of take up because of that restrike. And then from there, if you work the trigger, break it, and then just come back to the reset, you're generally gonna be pretty solid on it. But if you take that in comparison to, say, the GX4, which has the regular style striker trigger, far better setup. So a little bit cleaner on the GX4, but I think most people with the G3 series, whether they've watched any videos on them, are gonna kind of know to expect that restrike capable trigger is gonna have a much longer take up, but it's still not bad once you get through that first take up, because you're just gonna work the trigger back to the reset, so you don't have to go all the way back out and then all the way back in. I think most of you guys out there know that. Well, that is what I have got for you all today. I hope you guys enjoyed learning and seeing the G3C Toro series. Like I said, links for all this stuff will be down below. And if you're interested in like the Optic or the regular G3 or the GX4 or the G3C regular videos, those are all linked down below. You can check all of that stuff out. It is a huge help to the channel when you do so. And also it's a huge help when you use any of those links, because that is what helps make the channel keep going, because they're affiliate links. So that stuff is all good. Make sure you guys get subbed up, get belled up, turn those notifications on that bell down there to all on. And of course, leave a comment down below on what you think about what Taurus is doing with the new Toro series. You guys get out there and have some fun on the range. Remember, if you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. I will see you guys on the next one.